Hello everyone, this time I've come with a lot of research on Samsung S23 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I can't wait anymore to share it with you guys. Yes, today I'm going to be comparing the S23 Ultra and 14 Pro Max. We will not be concluding either of these would be the best because both are awesome brand new models. Fine, let's begin with the display of these models. Okay. The display of both the models are so cool. iPhone 14 Pro Max has got OLED display type with 6.7 inches and the S23 Ultra has got dynamic AMOLED 2x display with 6.8 inches. If you are someone who travel way longer very often and be choosing to watch movie during the journey, S23 Ultra will be better because of longer and wider display. Both phones offer awesome quality, but I feel S23 Ultra beats 14 Pro Max for its design and handling. Despite being larger, it's lighter. Gorilla Glass makes it absolutely the best choice because iPhone's stainless steel is stronger but heavier, so comparatively S23 Ultra is compact and user-friendly to handle with. Coming to the battery life, surprisingly, the S23 Ultra takes a lead in the battery life even on Apple's dominance. S23 Ultra has got 5000 mAh battery capacity and 14 Pro Max got 4323 mAh battery capacity. What about storage? The S23 Ultra has got 128 GB of storage and 14 Pro Max has got 256 GB of storage, and both has got mass storing capacities as always. So Apple takes the lead in offering double the storage. When it comes to refreshing rate, both has got 120 Hz of refreshing rate. I think the match is tied in this case. Camera wise, both has got 12 megapixel front camera and S23 Ultra's quad camera works like magic with its 200 megapixel rear camera. Of course, 14 Pro Max performance never failed to attract us with 48 megapixel rear triple camera, and despite Samsung's extensive specifications, the iPhone wins as in terms of processing and consistency, especially in low light. Video performance, particularly on social media, is better in iPhone due to its better quality than in S23 Ultra. Let's say you come out for a party with your friends and you want a better picture in spite of having a good lighting in your party. Then 14 Pro Max works like anything because of its retina flash. But S23 Ultra also helps for better pictures as in autofocus feature. Along with these special features and some of the common facilities like the modern Wi-Fi and fast charging capacities which are found in both the models would make us feel definitely worth spending for it. And one more thing which I personally love about Samsung is the S Pen, which looks so cute. If I have to choose between Samsung S23 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro Max, I'll go for S23 Ultra. What about you? Comments below about your preferences. Check our website for greater deals on renewed smartphones.